what's going on? It's Chris down here at the Statesville Mellow Vapes coming at you with another product video. Today we're going over the Vaporesso Luxe S Kit that comes with a Skr S tank. Now this is a really nice setup. It's a solid 220 watt mod, dual 18650, so you will have external batteries on this. Comes with a 2-inch color touchscreen right there. Then on the back you get this beautiful marble design. A little bit harder to see because of the protective plastic on there, but I promise you once you peel that off you will be amazed at how good that looks. There's that big nice screen right there. You got your little V at the bottom. And then you got the tank as well, the Skr S tank, which uses their BF coils, which has an interesting little airflow thingy in there. Basically helps reduce leaking, spit back, gives you a little bit more surface area for that better clouds, a better flavor. So let's go ahead and go over it. So here's the device. Once again, go ahead and screw this off. Well, there's no batteries in there, but has 9 different modes. Really cool looking device. Cool operating device. As well as for the tank, you get a little bubble glass band that just, let's see if I can pop this thing over, let you take a look at it. You get the idea. It kind of goes down over your bubble glass. You got the little holes to see your juice capacity. Yeah, you get 9 different modes on the Luxe. It has the Omniboard 4.0. It's really nice. You get variable wattage with 3 different presets. So you have a hard, normal, and soft. So you can either choose the ramp up time, see how hard it hits, see how fast it ramps up. Then you also have your super player mode, which is going to be for builders. In that mode, it can go you can build all the way down to a 0.03. Really low. Don't recommend trying that, but this is a device that can safely fire down to a 0.03. Of course, it's 220 watts, so both the wattage mode with the presets and super player mode go all the way up to 220 watts. You have your custom curve wattage where you can change the way, basically break it up by seconds and by half seconds and choose what wattage you're hitting per half second. So you can start off at 110, and then for the rest of the hit you're doing 100 watts. Really customizable. You can do the same thing with custom curve voltage, and also you have voltage mode all the way up to 9 volts. Really powerful box mod. And then of course you have your do it yourself, where you can go in for your temperature control, your set up a whole bunch of different stuff for temperature control, your custom curve wattage for your temperature control. Basically just a whole lot of different extra settings. Of course you have your settings and all that. Just all around really nice mod. You get, like I said, a full color screen, really nice resolution on there. Honestly, altogether, it's probably one of the best mods out on the market. Yeah, if you're interested in a solid setup that's going to give you clouds, flavor, capacity, and just be an all-around great device, this is definitely the one to pick up. So come on down, and I'll see you guys around.